In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with your sources in NotebookLM. So we have made some videos about NotebookLM basics, how to create a new notebook. You can always create a new notebook from the NotebookLM platform. You can always create a new notebook and you can add sources directly based on what you have. Okay, whether it's a Google search or it's an uploaded files from your system or from a website or drive or copy text, you can always bring in source like we have here. I've added some sources. Now here we are going to learn how to chat. So you can always add more sources by just clicking in here, and you can add more sources from the various methods that we have. Now once you are here, this gives us a quick summary of based on the sources that we have. Now you're free to check and uncheck any of the sources that you have in case if you don't want it included in the chat that you're going to have. Now let's say, can you give me, for example, can you give me a quick 5-point source takeaway from the sources on the future of AI in Nigeria? I can just go ahead and hit on enter. So we can see we have 9 sources. It is going to go through everything and then give us the quick 5 takeaways because it has not engulfed all the sources into it. So it's going to search the document and then analyze, and then going to go ahead and bring in 5 major takeaways. Okay, and you can see based on the provided sources, here are 5 key takeaways: transformative potential for skill and employment, localized and personalized educational support, critical infrastructure and policy requirements. You can see 5 key takeaways from here. And one good thing about the chart is that at every given point you'll be able to see the source in which it has picked in the document or the content or the idea. That's sort of a reference. If you hover over it, you'll be able to see a brief about where it picked. You can view the source also. If you just click, it's going to go ahead directly and show you where it has picked in those sources from. Okay, so once you click, to show you exactly where it picked in those keywords from. Okay, so you can know exactly the source. You can ask further questions and you can keep searching and ask more questions to do with the sources that you have, and you can always collapse this and go back to your list of sources. So this is how to chat with your sources within NotebookLM. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.